Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is question 2993, Friday purchases 1. Okay, so basically, you just want to calculate for each Friday the total spending and which week it was out of just November. So let's go ahead and make a calendar. So purchase date.dt .day name. So that's the API for it. And if we print current, let's wrap the whole thing in a list. Okay, day name, purchase date. Method object is not iterable. Okay, there we go. So you can see now it's going to give you each day of the week lined up. So now let's go over and iterate over purchases, purchase date, because the size is the same. It's the same column. And then we can just say if cur of I, the same index value, is a Friday, then we can just go ahead and add the date. So let's call this date is going to be P. And let's just actually go ahead and print P. So okay, so we got the dates. Now let's go ahead and tally up the total amounts. So D of P, adding the amount spend column of the current cell. Amount spend of I. So for example, here we would add this. Here we would add this because those are the two ones that are valid. Cool. And then let's go over our dictionary and basically add up the dates. So we have the amounts. Now we just have to sort it in order. And let's get the week. So let's take the current date. Is going to be string k dot split. Let's print cur date. Okay. And then also let's want 0 dot split by this. So we want to just this part. Okay, so if cur date of -1 integer is equal to 3, then we know it's the first week, so we can go ahead and append 1 k and dk. Otherwise, if this is going to be 10, then we can append 2 k and dk. Otherwise, if this is 17, then append 3 k dk. Last but not least, 24, because we turn it into an integer, that's why the 0 is gone. Then append 4k dk. And then now we just have to sort answer because by week of the month. So we just sort it by the first column or the whole thing. It's fine in this case. Let's call this result. Let's make a data frame. And then we can just go ahead and set the week of month to each of the 3 columns. I'm not sure why this is blue. Guess something's wrong with the compiler or the parser, but that's fine. So let's say A, B, C, each of the columns. For V and answer, A dot append V0, B dot append V2, C dot append V3. And then results purchase date to B. And finally results total amounts to C. And then return the data frame. Okay, let's run this. current date. Okay. Oh, -1, not -2. Okay, v0, 1, 2, 3. Indexes. Okay, let's submit this. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.